There it is. Yeah, so we were able to fully reset it, and we got it done quickly.
That's running much better.
And then, let's see. If you want us to change out the GPU, no additional cost for labor. Still just charge you the diagnostics, but as far as your GPU, only the second port works.
What kind of issues would that give him?
If he's trying to put another monitor on there, that would be the biggest issue he'll have to deal with, because you can't use HDMI splitters. When you use an HDMI splitter, that's like the most common thing that people use to get two monitors.
Yeah.
If you use an HDMI splitter, then it's just going to show you the same image twice. So that'd be the biggest thing. But again, if you want, get a new GPU, we'll install it, no additional cost, takes maybe 5 minutes. The only thing is, you don't have additional. I have to double check, but you don't. I don't think you have additional power supply cables to plug it in directly to the GPU. So you'll have to get a graphics card that doesn't have any power supply on there.
But the graphics card right now is working fine?
Yeah, it was working fine. And we could do a quick stress test as well for you guys to see everything, just to make sure.